Hi, everybody. Welcome to the AI with Arun Show. In today's episode, we're going to show you how we make video editing simple with Opus Pro. So let's get started. So I have signed into Opus Pro, and here's my dashboard. I have already created a video that I want to edit, and I'll show you how to edit that video. So I go to Video Editor, and I all I have to do is upload the video out here. If you have a YouTube link, you can drop the YouTube link here as well. So I have a video that I have created on SLM that I want to edit. So it's pretty fast. It's edited it's uploaded the video, and now it's transcribing the video. And you can use the transcription that is generated to delete content that you do not like. All right, so the transcription is now generated and the video is uploaded. Now, there's certain things that I want to do in this video that I'm going to show you. For example, there are certain elements on the actual video which I do not want. So when I recorded this video, and let me show you what I mean. I did not have my video on while I was recording. So I just had my name and I want to get rid of that. So it's very easy to do that. All I have to do is click on this crop and it lets me size it up. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to size this from the top, from the bottom, and also from the side. And once I'm done, I can click on apply, and then I'm all done. And here's the most beautiful part. There is AI enhancements. So it's very easy. All I have to do is if there are any filter words that I used, for example, things like that, at the click of a button, it identifies. In this video, I just had one filter video, so it's removed. And then I have a lot of pauses. So there are 98 pauses in this video. So all I can do is click on this and then it removes all the pauses. Now, once the pauses are all done, it is very easy. So, there's certain thing that I had for my own notes while I was recording it. So you can see that I had something like we are starting to record now that I had included for the purpose of this video. So it's easy for us to demonstrate. So I'm going to just select this and remove video and a caption and video. And what that does is it removes that part of the video, it removes that part of the caption. So when you, as the eventual end user, listen, or the audience listen to this video, you don't see this part. So I'm going to do that, and then as you can see, it happens instantly. So my video is all ready. All right, so my video is all ready, and if you want, there are intros and outros that you could add. So the intro is here at the beginning, and the outro is over here at the end that you could add. So we are going to do that. So I have already uploaded the intros and the outros video for this particular video. So I'm going to show that to you. Now, over here, you could actually drag and drop, as you can see over here, right? If you have something that you wanted to drag and drop, you already have something downloaded as for intros or outros, you could do that. So I'm going to do something that I already have. So this is my intro video that I'm going to add over here. It's already added that up, and then I am going to do the same thing for outro, and this is my outro video that I'm going to add. So yeah, it was that simple. Is already did that, but here comes the even more beautiful part. A lot of our times we want to generate a B-roll, which is something that will play behind the scenes, and it will come up at different points of time in the video. And I can auto-generate an AI B-roll. So look at how beautiful this is. So I just click on the button. It takes some time, and then it generates the B-roll for you. And I'll give you a short example. Awesome. So you can see that there is a video that has been generated, and these are throughout the duration or the length of the video. And here are the prompts. If you want, you could change the prompts and it could change the picture automatically, but I'll go with what it has kind of recommended. And you can play the video. So let's do that, while we're doing this. So let's play the video for a little bit. So, this is how you would see the B-roll playing in the main video, and you could move them around. So for example, if I don't like the placement of this video over here, I could move them later, or I can change them, or I can delete them completely. It's up to me. So having done all this, my video is complete. So that was that easy to edit a whole video from resizing it to removing all the pauses, to removing all the gaps that I had in the speech, to also enhancing the video with B-rolls. And then the final thing is I can do speech enhancement. As you can see, it improves the vocal clarity and the richness. So all I have to do is just click on this, and the voice clarity will be taken care of. So the speech enhancement, as you can see, is now 100%. It's complete. Now what I can do is I can either save all the changes and it stays on Opus Pro and I can download it later, or I can export it by clicking on this, and then I can do a download HD. So it downloads it in a local file on your computer. All right. So my video is now downloaded. I can go to my folder, my download folder, and access it. As you can see from here, it's almost done. It's in progress right now. And yeah, so that's simple to edit your videos with Opus Pro. And shortly we'll be back with another video to show you how to create shorts for YouTube on your video. So with that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you so much for watching.